Hello everyone, welcome back to What's Buzzin' at the Bee. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have some exciting news with it being October. It means it is Quilt Show month. So we have the WSQ Quilt Show coming up later this month. It's going to be the 18th through the 20th. Friday and Saturday is 10 to 6 and Sunday it is 10 to 4. Quilt Show is the only time of the year that we are open on Sunday, so we will be open on Sunday as per usual. We are super excited this year. We have our biggest booth ever. We're going to have all sorts of sewing machines. We're going to be showing off our Arrow furniture and some of our kangaroo stuff. So you'll definitely have to mark that on your calendars and come visit us. We are super excited about it. Like I said, it's going to be our biggest booth ever. We will be open all weekend as well, like I said, so you can come visit us here at the store and then pop over to the Quilt Show. It's going to be a very fun weekend and we are super excited about it. So October 18th through the 20th, mark your calendars. Okay, and starting our little tour here, we'll start off with our notion of the week. This week it is all sorts of cleaning tools and cleaning supplies. So we've got some fun little dusters here. We've got a vacuum attachment set. Lots of these cute little sewing cleaning tools that are perfect to keep right by your sewing machine to clean out all of that extra lint. So stop on by and grab any of these at 20% off this week. Okay, and moving on over this way, because we are sneaking up on Halloween, all of our Halloween panels are 40% off starting today. So we've got some great options here. We've still got some of our classic black cats and pumpkins, little apron and pot holder panel. We've got some more artistic options like this really cool panel here. And then in addition to the panels, we do have more of our reversible tote bags here, and they are also 25% off. We've got some really cute different fabric options. We do have the webbing in these kits so that they're nice and sturdy. They are perfect for little trick-or-treat bags. So lots of options for these guys. So you can come pick one out. Perfect to sew along with the kids. And we do have some pillowcases if you want to go more that route. We've got a few different options. If you'd rather do a little pillowcase instead of a tote, that always works well for trick-or-treating as well. So lots of panel options, still lots of lovely Halloween fabric, so you can come check that out. Okay, right at the table here, we have this adorable new Highland Coup panel. We've got this adorable little fluffy guy on the front there. And we have just restocked all of our panel books as well. So if you're not quite sure what to do with your panels, these are a great help. Okay, and moving along this way, we're going to move on over here into our flannel section. We have rearranged a little bit. We've got more of our winter novelty prints at the start here, and then working down we've got more of our kids at the end. And a new one that we have is this adorable The Tale of Peter Rabbit fabric from Riley Blake. Very adorable, and being flannel, it is super soft. So lots of options for that. It's going to be very cute. I'm super excited to see all the cute things we're going to make with that one. Okay, and scooching on back here, we're going to walk over through our novelty section over here. So the fabric is just right down here. And this one is from Blank Quilting. And the line is called Whiskers Among Petals. So a very cute little cat collection. Very sweet art style here. Lots of florals. Very cute. And there is a free pattern that goes along with this one. It is available on their website, and we'll have a few copies here as well. It uses the panels in all of those blocks there. And the panel is just right here. Very cute, 6 different blocks here, all with different cute little cat designs. Very sweet and homey. So we love that one. And moving on over here, we have a new line from Seth Apter from Free Spirit, and we have it right down here. Very artistic, kind of more abstract, lots of beautiful texture in here, creating lots of depth with color and pattern. Very unique. We do have some fat quarters available for this one. We have cut some. It does pair very nicely with all of the Tim Holtz stuff too, which we have right here in this area. And walking just right around the corner here, we have a brand new line for our sort of reproduction Civil War era fabrics. So all 3 boxes here, we have this beautiful collection from Wyndham. This one is called Circa Onyx. And it's a very beautiful neutral collection. All of these beautiful smaller floral designs with a few sort of more geometric or organic shapes. There is what we kind of call more of a cheater print as well, which is just right here. Kind of creates a little block of its own without having to do the piecing. And of course, we've got some fat quarters to go along with it, as well as a free pattern for this one too. That's a very unique project. We thought that one was very cool. So, super excited to see all of the projects created with this collection as well. And walking around the corner here, we have 3 boxes. The first 2 are called Christmas Splendor from Robert Kaufman. You have more of the darker colorway up here with kind of the golds and the reds, more traditional colors. And then down here in the second box, you have more of the cooler tones, more of an evergreen with a silver finish. And then in this bottom box, this first one here that we have is called Traditional Trimmings. More of a brighter red and green, lovely bright reds. And then the berries you saw right here are just called Winter Magic. Those are blenders that we have kind of every year. So all new fabrics there. So starting here, we do have kind of all of our Christmas starting. So we've got starting there, and then all through here, all of our Christmas. We've got more winter on this side of the aisle over here. And it is starting to grow. So we've got even more on the ends here, and then a brand new one that we kind of had to make room for over here. We had to spare some of the 30s space for some more Christmas. So here we've got a line called Snowfall from P&B. Very lovely blenders. Love that there's 2 tones and a larger snowflake and a smaller snowflake. Perfect sort of winter holiday color scheme. So lots of options when it comes to the holiday Christmas stuff. We are still expanding the area, so we'll let you know what's new as it comes out. Okay, and sneaking around the corner here, we're going to come up to the side counter where we have our kit of the week. This week it is our Rush quilt. This uses fabrics from Northcott, very beautiful sort of teal and brown collection. And the really cool thing about this one is that the backing is actually included in the kit. So you have a beautiful 108 backing here that is included. So you will get 20% off this kit for the rest of the week. So definitely come check it out. Beautiful kind of, as we head into fall, it's got kind of a darker, warmer feel to it. And if you just like the pattern, we do have the pattern for this one as well. So wonderful kit, super excited about this one. Come check it out. We'll have it on the floor so you can take a look at it. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining us in our little fabric tour this morning. We're super excited about all of the new stuff that's coming in. We're definitely kind of preparing for Quilt Show, hoping to pack the store and have lots of new options during that time. Quick reminder about Quilt Show, it is October 18th through the 20th. You can find more information about that on the Washington State Quilters website. They'll have all of the ticket information, parking information on there. If you have entered a quilt into the Quilt Show, they have not given us any information about the pickup procedure yet, so we'll let you know when it's time for that. But don't just bring it in because we don't have any of the paperwork yet, so we'll let you know when it's time. So yeah, thank you so much, everyone. We will be on Whatnot later today, 4 p.m. Pacific time. We'll have some of the new fabric that we showed today over there, so you can come join us, hang out, and have fun shopping some fabric. So thank you so much for watching today, and we will see you next Wednesday for another What's Buzzin' at the Bee.